All right, so today I got the Shark Pet Pro vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna tell you the 3 things I love about this product and the 1 thing that I don't love so much. Okay, so first of all, the best thing about this product is it is specifically designed for pet hair and picking up hair. So as you can see on the bottom here, there's different rubber as well as the brushes. So this is gonna stop hair from getting tangled in the vacuum, which is great. If you've tried other vacuums before and you've struggled with picking up pet hair, you know that this can get tangled sometimes. But with this vacuum cleaner, it is specifically designed so that will not happen. So that is number 1. Number 2, I love all the different attachments and the way that this thing attaches and detaches. So it comes with these 2 different heads here. You can detach this part. So now you just have the handheld section. This section you can also charge on its own. The charging is in the top there. You can easily clip on this other piece. The tank, the garbage, you just press this button to open the lid. You can also easily pull this off. And number 3 is I love this little trigger button. So you can put it on. I can put it on right now, put it on power 1, power 2, and then I'll pull the trigger. And when I pull the trigger, it goes to like max turbo boost. It's just fun to have like that max turbo boost, like to pull the trigger, like you're really sucking everything up. So I have a little bit of almonds right here. And I'm gonna just pick them up with the vacuum cleaner to show you how well it works. So as you can see, it sucked it right up. And yeah, that was easily, I was pulling down the trigger to make sure that I was getting everything. And then the 1 thing about this that I do not love, which is very small, is it doesn't work while it's plugged in. So when I have this charger in, so I have it plugged in right now, you can't vacuum. So you got to make sure it's charged before you vacuum clean, or you can't just plug it in and think, okay, I'm going to start vacuuming now. No, it's got to charge up. But the battery life does last a decent amount of time. Yep, overall, that's a review. Those are the 3 things that I like about this product. The 1 thing that, but I can live with it. Overall, I am a huge fan of this product. If you have pets, if there's a lot of hair around your house, then this is gonna be a great vacuum cleaner for you.